What is up, YouTube? Um, I should not be saying that. Oh, I need to stop saying that. Alright, so today, Facecam for the first time. It's a new goal for the month of February. Um, I'm have like a fear, I guess, of just, having my face or just whatever online, so might as well stop it by going against it. So yeah, this is me. Shouldn't say that word, I keep saying it. Alright, let's get into the trading recap. I've low-key been a little lazy for the past few days, so yeah, damn it. Alright, Friday. Here's the Friday trade right here. So let's just get straight into it. Let's go to the news actually first. Friday, core PPI and PPI M/M, which is not a good. Damn, bro, this is bright. Holy. How do I make the brightness go down? I'll just go back over here. But PPI is like what I don't want to be trading on, so I kind of just waited till it was over. What time was it? Like, was it 5:30? Yeah, 5:30 when it happened. It did a pretty decent amount to the market. I think it was right here. No, was it not? Oh, I mean this was it right here. Yeah, I remember. Like it had like a huge wick at 5:30 on the 1 minute, but yeah, so here's my trade. Today was this day was a shitty day. So on the day, I'm not gonna show it because it might take too long, but on the daily, it was an uptrend. The 4 hour, it was a downtrend, and on the 1 hour, it was an uptrend. So my signs were for uptrends at first, but then on the 15 minute, or was it 15 minute? Maybe it was. Let me. Oh my gosh, bro, why are you teleporting me to the other side of the map? Nah. Dude, look at this. Look at this market. Horrible. What the hell is this? I can't. You like don't even know what's happening. So on the 5 minute, I was mostly on the 5 minute, I guess, because 15 minutes a shitty market right now. So what we saw here is we see it come up immediately right when market opens at 9:30. Boom, 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 boom. We see it start moving down as a retracement at first, but that's what we're thinking. See, boom, order block. Comes all the way down. We're like, damn, it's gone pretty far down. See what happens. Closes. It's just making all these big ass wicks or whatever. And this one, after this, at 9:55, um, market breaks. It closes below this wick right here. As you can see, this closes all the way down here, meaning it's a break in structure to the downside. So I'm like, alright, I'm looking for shorts. So I put my Fibonacci retracement, which I just started using. I got the settings for. Loki just made them on my own though. On the top of this green wick and on the bottom. Oh, this is wrong. Oh, never mind. This one wasn't made yet. Never mind. Never mind. This is great. Okay. So we see it come up. Market comes into 0.5. I'm like, all right, let's look for a trade. It comes all the way to 0.75, which means I shouldn't take a trade, which um doesn't really make sense. Like it's disqualified or something like that. I don't know. Damn, it's really hard to not say that word. I see it come down from up here in this 1 minute order block or whatever accumulation because it has a bunch of order blocks. Comes down, I see it boom, I see it raise up, and I'm like, let's just enter short here so I'm like higher up. So maybe we can see it like reject here so I can get a better like risk to reward ratio. So boom, it comes down, goes all the way down to here, Oh, damn. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Um, I thought it was a different day. But yeah, it goes down. It came down pretty far, like whatever, 30, 40, 50 bucks, 50 bucks. And then we see it reject all the way up, and I got stopped out, lost. It like, I feel like it wasn't that bad of a trade. Loki went against the daily bias. I definitely could have traded better, found a better trade, definitely. I don't really know what would have been good. Like, if I went for longs, I would have had to wait a lot longer. Like, maybe right here. Nah. Oh, I guess this is what order block comes up and comes down the order block. See it start rejecting on the 1 minute long. I mean, oh, this is the 1 minute. Damn, bro. Like, nah, there's nothing really good on this day. It's just like a buns day. It's just like, oh, it's just like, oh, you know, like, so we lost. I lost. Um, so yeah, 5 minute order block, 1 minute order block, 5 minute equilibrium were the confluences. And need to be more patient next time. Just watch. I actually saw TJR. I watched him. I was kind of annoyed. I wanted to see if he traded. He said that he might, and then he made a video later on saying how bad the market was. And I'm like, damn, bro. That's why he's the GOAT. So, alright. This one I don't even want to talk about. This is today. Worst trade of my life, by the way. I was literally about to hop in the shower after my hockey practice, because hockey practice on Tuesday in the morning. And I just like couldn't really help myself and just really wanted to get a trade in because I was scared that I would miss it. Because yesterday, there was a really good trade. Yesterday was Monday at around 7, and I didn't trade yesterday because I stayed up like really late because I was sick and I wanted like a really good night's sleep and I wanted to sleep in. Loki a lazy ass move. Like this entire weekend, from after I traded on Friday to Monday, laziest shit ever. After I traded on Friday, I left school early. After I got home, I felt sick and I slept all day. Didn't do any of my goals. Same with Saturday. I had a hockey game though, so we played that. We lost. Horrible game. Horrible. Don't even want to talk about that game either. And then Sunday, same thing, a different hockey game. Lost that. Don't want to talk about that one either. That one's even worse. And then didn't do any of my goals on either of those days. And on Sunday or Monday, skipped school, didn't go. I was sick. Didn't do any of my goals. So today's Tuesday. Didn't even trade. I haven't ran in a little while. It's just been a horrible, horrible weekend. So I'm just gonna come back from that. Oh, do not want to do that. All right, let's get this over with. Don't wanna drag the video too long. 5 minute, it's going down. This is me. I'm like about to hop in the shower. I'm like, you know what? Let's take a trade. I'm on my phone and everything. This is horrible, horrible. 1 minute, I didn't even go on the 5 minute. I'm like, fuck the 5 minute. I'm doing this shit fast. This is clearly a downtrend. I'm finding 1 minute confluence in, and oh, bro, I could have. I'm low-key annoyed because, hear me out. My trade was going to be right here. And I had my stop loss, like, I don't know, somewhere over here. It's probably just wherever the 50 buck Rooney was. And I was going to have, where is it? Oh, my stop loss, like, somewhere up here. So whatever, like, probably at the top of this for value gap or something, you know? Or, like, at the top of this order block right here. It was one or the other, I don't actually remember. But, and I would have hit take profit, I would have won today. But I was on my phone and I was about to take a shower, and so when I don't hit one of these, like, so see this, I can press this button right here, and I can like put my units in. See, I usually do 1 unit. See, that's how much I'm risking usually. But I So I can either do that, which so I can do my stop losses, but look, so my trade was somewhere over here. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever, 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 whatever. All right. That's a stupid excuse, but I would have hit my take profit today if I just waited. I should have just took a shower. After the shower, I would have seen this and then, short off of that instead. But, things happen. I'm a dumbass. I was in the shower instead of at my desk trading, which I will never ever do again. We lost because of stupid circumstances. Alright, let me show you why I even thought of taking this trade. 1 minute, came up, boom, see this? Into this order block, slash this order block, whatever you want to call it, accumulation, whatever, I don't know. After that, that's equilibrium in this 1 minute area. Equilibrium, order block, short, right when it breaks, because I like to wait till the break, because I'm a pussy. So, boom, after this break, I would have taken it here, but I was on my phone trying to do this thing, and I was like putting it around, and every time I put it around, it just made like a stop, like an order, just waiting to get filled. And I didn't get the order until here, and then I got stopped out literally immediately in 1 minute. 1 minute. So that's happened today and on Friday. And face reveal. Thank you guys for watching. Damn, it's a long ass video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next one. I'm gonna start doing vlogs because, like, on shorts, just about like what I did during the day, so I can just keep track and stay accountable. And you guys should do that too if you guys are trying to become day traders like me. And see you guys in the next trading recap, which will be tomorrow, probably if I take a trade.